How do you find them? They're not by this pole over here? They're not over here? They weren't over here? I thought you called them.
Here, Snapey, Snapey. No, side.
In the tall grass? Nothing?
No.
Not a thing. Did you push it away? Look in there very carefully. Just to make sure.
Is it like white?
Yeah. Nothing? Huh, that's weird. Hmm.